This is my 1992 Mitsubishi Pajero XR2, and I am selling it. So, some real brief things about it here. We'll do a walk around, but I was the first person to register it. My wife and I were. We bought it in Houston, Texas, and drove it back to Oregon in 2018. So, it is in really great shape. It runs, it drives, it does everything you'd want it to do. It's on 285/75 16 Nitto Ridge grapplers with tons of tread left. They're mounted on Montero Sport wheels, which are 16/7 with a +10 offset. You can see it's got the roof rails on the top. It's also got custom fabricated rock sliders on the bottom there by the doors. Those are factory, or at least factory optional, accessory Ralli art decals that came from Japan. You can see it also has the big white window guards over the window, which are great in the rain. So we have long wheelbase Montero rear springs, cranked up torsion bars in the front, and then Rancho RS 9000 XL shocks. So there's a lot going on the front, so let's talk about that. First of all, this is a Hyundai D4BF swap. This is the same as a Mitsubishi 4D56, but brand new, water-cooled turbo, better cooling, etc. We swapped over the intake manifold so we could retain the intercooler. Factory dual battery setup, brand new radiator from Max Radiator. This will handle all your cooling needs. Also a new thermostat in there as well. So we have a Turbo XS boost controller on here, running currently 14 PSI boost. It runs great and reliably. Light Force Striker lights. Those are LED, super powerful. We have a Warn Xeon 8S winch with spider and nightline rope. We've got the premium fairlead there, as well as a Factor 55 thimble. All that is staying on the vehicle. The bumper is a Warn crawler bumper for a Jeep, JK or JL, but it has been customized to fit this vehicle. It was used in some Warn advertising and video and whatnot. So, I think that's about it on the engine. It does run very well. The bottom here, by the way, this gray, this is wrapped, so it looks brand new. Here is the interior. This is all stock, non-smoker, no pets. Does not smell like smoke, no cigarette burns, nothing like that. So, no rips, no tears, very comfortable. The interior is nice and clean. Currently, the odometer is showing 145,946 kilometers. That's kilometers. By the way, I did replace the solenoids for the four-wheel drive system, so it goes in and out of four-wheel drive very easily. So we have power windows, we have power locks, we have tinted windows that we had done locally as well. We've got your hood release. This is right here. This is going to be your manual throttle control. Down here we have glow shift boost gauge and EGT, so those are really convenient to have, especially on a turbo vehicle. JDM climate control, automatic. This is all push button. So it does have air conditioning. The air conditioning is not currently hooked up, but could be easily hooked up by somebody smarter than me. I know how to hook it up and haven't. I've got the belt, whatnot. It's also got a new AC tensioner pulley. 5-speed manual transmission. This is the V5 MT1 Mitsubishi Super Select transfer case. This does, by the way, include the winch remote, which is in here. So, do have a cracked windscreen. You probably want to replace that. It's the same as a Mitsubishi Montero. No weird JDM thing you have to import here at all. So, sunroof is manual and does not leak. It's got a crank and a cover. Both function as advertised. Here's the back seat, but widen the view here. So, no rips, no tears. Nice and clean. The seats fold down. They do all kinds of cool things. We have a Pioneer stereo in here as well, US stereo, and replace those front speakers here with Pioneer units as well. All weather floor mats will come to the back here. Matching spare tire. This has been rotated in a 5-tire rotation with the rest of the tires. Here's the back. So the seats fold down for more room. We have a package tray with wiring, and that wiring is for the Kurt hitch that I installed. The back door here also has a tool crib. This is complete as well, including the flashlight, which can be sort of hard to get. There's another flashlight up here, by the way. This plugs into the 12-volt here. So as you can see, everything is pretty clean. It's falling down right now, but it is all clean. This has a fairly ugly little straight pipe on it. It sounds pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. There's a nice turbo whistle. It does very well. The vehicle performs admirably. Four-wheel disc brakes, new pads on there. Four-wheel disc brakes, these are all off of a Gen 1 Montero or a Mitsubishi Mighty Max. Again, all accessible in the United States. So it is a turbo diesel. It is a lot of fun. It's great off-road. This is a 488 gear vehicle, and it does great on and off-road. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you. So I hope you like it.